Hi, everyone. Today, I wanted to talk about what happens if someone on Etsy is shopping in your shop and they use a coupon that you did not intend for them to use, like it's something that's set up for a returning customer, or it's something that's set up for a specific person that you gave them a coupon and said, this is for you to use. How should you handle that? Well, depending on what the coupon is, you should have that factored into the cost of your items. And when you do your pricing, you need to take coupons into account. So if it's a returning customer coupon, or if it's a thank you coupon or something like that, just let it go. If those kinds of things, Etsy sends those to people, and they don't always send them just to returning customers. So sometimes they send them to people who have favorited something. If you have a favorite coupon set up, that's not a big deal. Just let that go. Don't worry about it. At least they came to your shop and bought something. So that's a purchase for you. And if it's factored into the price of your items, which it should be, it shouldn't matter. And a lot of times people will find coupons because there's the coupon scraping sites. Like there's, I think, Honey, and there's like Microsoft will show me coupons sometimes while I'm shopping. So there are sites that look for coupons on the site, and sometimes they'll give out coupons that you didn't intend to give out. The only time this is a real problem is if you do something like a gift certificate. Like people say, can I do gift certificates on Etsy? Not really. You can't put a coupon on Etsy that's specifically for one person and not expect other people to find it, because those apps do exist that look for coupons on the sites. So if you want to do a gift certificate, if you're giving something away or that kind of thing, I would set it up as an actual printable certificate with all of your contact information and tell them, on the certificate, it said this is non-transferable, this is just for you, and then have them contact you before they purchase anything so that you can set up a custom listing for them to buy. Now, the problem with gift certificates on Etsy, and this is a problem, is that you can't put a $0 amount on an Etsy listing. So you have to have at least 20 cents to cover the listing fee. And Etsy doesn't really like that. So if you have a website, I would send people there instead. If you have a donation that you're doing for a local charity or an organization or something, and you want to do a gift certificate for that, I would just have that person contact you directly and arrange for the sale there, and just do it off of Etsy. Don't do it on Etsy. And obviously, if they're going to spend more than the value of the gift certificate, that's one thing. But if you're going to do gift certificates, please look into this, because there are laws that cover the use of gift certificates and how they have to be redeemed. And you have to make sure that you're complying with all that, because people could ask for cash back, or they could not spend it for 20 years, or they could not spend it ever. And then technically you're supposed to send the money back to your state or whatever happens. But that's going to be different. You need to look into that. I don't do gift certificates or gift cards for that reason. So it's up to you whether you want to do that, but it's difficult on Etsy because of the fact that people can find the gift codes and use that coupon code without having that assigned to them. So give this video a thumbs up and leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.